Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. David Salazar here. Thank you for checking out the Facebook group and watching this video. Today, we normally talk about hot topics, things that a lot of people in the group ask questions about. One of the topics that we're going to discuss today is lane splitting and whether or not it's legal in Texas. So I've got to talk to you about a few things before so you kind of know the background of this. Lane splitting, and I'm going to read you the definition of it, is defined as when a motorcycle rides over the painted dashed lines in the road to pass between slow-moving motor vehicles. So this is not the same as sharing a lane with another motorcycle. I want to make sure that you guys understand that because it is different. One is legal, one is not. So lane sharing is absolutely legal in Texas. Lane splitting is not legal in Texas and it's not recognized in Texas. That being said, there have been recently two bills that have been proposed to legalize lane splitting at either 20 or 15 miles per hour or less. So what are the benefits of lane splitting? Well, for a lot of motorcycle riders, they say that it's much more efficient. It can cut down on time whenever there's a standstill in traffic. There are a lot of groups such as AAA and law enforcement agencies who actually are proponents against lane splitting, saying that there's a lot of fatalities that happen because of this. Studies have actually shown to the contrary of that and shown that lane splitting can actually, if done properly and practically, can actually be safer for motorcycle riders than not doing it. So it's weird that you see a lot of studies and they're really kind of split on both sides of this. That being said, in Texas along with 5 other states have introduced bills to legalize lane splitting. As of this date, we are in May of 2020. Only one state has legalized it and another is in the process of legalizing it. So California is the only state that recognizes lane splitting as being legal. Utah is the second state where you can now do so, and that's just recently. I think that's as of February 2020 that came out. As far as Texas goes, there is no recognition for it. You could get cited for this because you're practicing unsafe driving methods within the state of Texas. So motorcycle riders, please be aware of that. I want to make sure you understand that lane splitting at this current time is illegal in Texas and not recognized as a legal function or maneuver in Texas. Please make sure that you understand that, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, if you've heard the contrary, it's just not the case. As of right now, there are lobbyists that are currently trying to legalize it in Texas. It just hasn't happened. It hasn't happened yet. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. My name is David Salazar. I love talking to you guys about this stuff. If you have any other useful information you'd like to add, let me know, and we'll talk soon. Thank you very much.